Sobrang lapit na ng iPhone 16 series and hindi rin akong excited masyado. I have here 2 cases from K-Scoop para sa akin iPhone 16 Pro Max. And parating na pretty soon ng akin iPhone 16 Pro Max from Beyond the Box kasi nakapag-order na ako ahead of time, syempre as a tech reviewer, and I can't wait to put this one on. So right now, itatry natin to sa ating iPhone 15 Pro Max and see probably what are the changes na mangyayari sa 16 Pro Max. Now, here are the 2 cases na meron natin from K-Scoop. I have a black one and a white one. Ang tawag na dito is the Magic Stand. So, what's nice dito sa kanya is that pwede mong itayo ng ganito para manood ng video na nakatayo, or pwede mo siyang i-twist para humiga naman ang iyong phone while watching. Now, this is going to be yung design ng iPhone 16 Pro Max. So, right now, quickly, ikabit lang natin si 15 Pro Max natin and let's just see kung sasakto siya. So, actually, pumasok naman siya except that medyo hindi siya fit. Umaalog pa siya. So, medyo siya, wobbly siya sa loob. So, meaning, hindi mas malaki ng konti si 16 Pro Max. And if you look at yung mga button placement niya, it's actually almost the same. Hindi siya nagkakalayo. Okay? So, dito naman sa kabila, it's almost the same din ang kanyang placement. And, yeah, overall, I think pati yung mga butas is hindi nagkakalayo. Except that, the phone might be a little bit bigger this time around. So, pag tinignan natin dito, medyo may awang pa siya dito, no? Hindi siya saktong-sakto. But overall, yung mga placement ng buttons is almost the same. And yung kanyang camera module is almost the same din. So, naman siya, nag-fit in naman siya. So, I would say na the phone would be a slightly longer. So, yan ang magiging design ng iPhone 16 Pro Max. So, guys, anong tingin nyo dito sa magiging design ng iPhone 16 Pro Max? At a little bit more taller. So, let me know in the comments. And, before I forgot, meron siyang butas dito, no? I'm not quite sure kung para saan itong butas na ito, would it for aesthetics ng ni K-Scoop or meron magiging function sa upcoming na 16 Pro Max. Medyo nakaka-intriga. See you on my next video.